How to scan QR code on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now you have to open the TikTok app. You can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. We are going to know that how to scan a QR code on TikTok. At the bottom you can see different options like home, friends, plus, inbox and the profile. You have just click on the profile icon and this type of page will appear. At the top you can see there are three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on it. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now you have to click on the settings and privacy here. We are going to scan QR code. We have creator tools, my QR code. Just you have to click on QR code and you can copy the link of QR code. You can share profile and you can directly scan the QR code from your TikTok device. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.